told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mich Creations page. In today's video, I'm gonna show you on how to make a monkey balloon. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first thing, we will inflate mocha brown for about 6 inches. Next, the blush.
Every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden
About 7 inch. Tie the nozzle. Take a leftover 260Q and tie the neck of the blush.
I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me,
So we have now here 260Q.
you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain.
Then push it here and grab it from the other side. And pull it here and twist. And tie another leftover 260. And tie a knot. So we have 260 from the both sides. Now we will attach our mocha brown.
As you fade away, as you fade away,
And cut the extra.
as you fade away.
Now we will inflate our 350Q blush and mocha brown. Tie the nozzle.
Went through hell, a fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can.
So we have two 350Q blush and mocha brown. Measure about 15 fingers. Split and twist. Make another one, same size, and tie it here. Make another one. So we have now 3. Remove the extra and attach the blush.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake us.
Make 3 bubbles here. Pinch and twist. Another 1 bubble. Pinch and twist. 1 more bubble. Pinch and twist.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So now we have like this. Now we will attach our head. So grab 1 nozzle from here and attach from the nozzle that we tied before.
Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand a thing. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more.
Now we will make the ear.
I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on.
Measure about 3 fingers. Make a loop for about 3 fingers. And another loop. Pinch and twist. 1 bubble. Pinch, twist. Another 1 bubble. Pinch and twist. And remove.
Stand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all.
Cut the nozzle. Use double-sided tape to attach this to our monkey. Here.
Struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play.
So now let's inflate mocha brown to 60Q for the hands and for the legs. Leaving at least 3 fingers and release a little bit of air. And tie the nozzle. So for the legs and for the hands, about 7 fingers, fold and squeeze. Twist, split and twist, and make 1 loop for about 4 fingers. Pinch and twist, and make 2 bubbles. Pinch and twist. Another 1 bubble. And remove. And this is for the legs. A little bit longer.
Feel like it's Monday, something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts.
About 5 fingers loop. Pinch and twist. And 2 bubbles.
Out of your way, I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into the race. You wanna love me?
Remove.
The highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today.
Connect that to nozzle from the tip.
Hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
And attach it here from the neck. Same with the leg. Tie them together and attach it here.
As you fade away.
Now we will make the eyes using 5-inch white, 1 pump tie, and another one. And tie them together and cut. Use double-sided tape.
Okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
And attach it here.
As you fade away.
Now we will draw
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong.
Now the last part is the tail. Inflate the 260 cube brown all the way and release the air.
Okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you
And grab a stick and just roll around here. Inflate again.
as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going
Now we will attach it here.
my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be.
So now this is our monkey.
Control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the
So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned something from this video tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for you to be updated every time I have a new video. So this is Mich. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.
Never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.